Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today's video is a clean with me and Christmas decorate. I actually had this video recorded a couple of weeks ago and all ready to go, but I ended up in the hospital having my gallbladder removed. I'm going to talk about that in another video. I just wanted to get this one up in case anybody still hadn't decorated and needed some ideas. Out of habit, the first thing that I always gravitate towards cleaning is the kitchen. For some reason, it just feels like to me, if the kitchen is clean, then I am at a good place in the house to get started on something else. I will say that this video is actually a compilation of 2 days because it took me 2 days to get the tree up and everything fully decorated. So I will be cleaning the kitchen twice because, like I said, I just gravitate towards wanting to clean the kitchen first. Before I went ahead and did any decorating, I did want to make a batch of the Alfredo sauce that my kids really like. They've been asking for it for a little while, but I actually didn't have any left. It's so quick and easy to make. I will leave a link to the recipe down below. It's one that I found on Pinterest and turned out to be incredible. It freezes well, heats well. It's just really one of the most incredible Alfredo recipes that I've ever tried. It unfortunately doesn't use ingredients that most of us keep at home, like whipping cream and heavy cream, but that's okay because I've made it so many times that I kind of plan out in advance when I know I'm going to make it, and so then I just add these ingredients onto my grocery shopping list. I can usually whip up a double, sometimes triple batch within about 15 minutes, and then I just let it cool off in my super cubes on the counter. Once it's cool, I put it in the fridge, and then the next day I'll put it in the freezer so it freezes into nice portion sizes. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm a big fan of these super cubes. If you've never used them before and you do like to make freezer meals, I highly recommend them. I have started seeing some off-brand ones on Amazon and stuff like that, and I think they would work just fine. They are not too expensive and they're definitely worth it if you're thinking about getting some. I can definitely leave a link down below to the ones that I have. Decorating time. I usually put on a Christmas movie when nobody is home, pull out all the decorations and kind of just start little by little, and before you know it, it'll be sort of exactly where I want it to be. This year I did want to keep it simple. I didn't want anything crazy. I just wasn't feeling it, so I started with the kitchen. This is some foliage and greenery and stuff like that that I've had from before. I didn't buy it. In my last video, I did mention that I wasn't looking to buy any new decorations this year because I wanted to save money. We want to buy a house, pay down some debt, and so whatever money I can save and put toward that, that's what we're going to do. I did, however, buy this candle. That's all I'm going to do in the kitchen, and then what I did was pulled out the rest of the decorations that I wanted to use in the living room. This is kind of all that I planned on using this year. Like I said, didn't want to use anything more. I do have more, but didn't want to do it. This old school 90s mantle is probably one of my favorite things to decorate. I don't know why, I love the brick. I hate the mirror, please don't get me wrong, I absolutely hate it, but I love the brick and I love having a mantle that I can decorate. In our old house, I didn't have one, and so because it's so like old school, I feel like I can make it traditional with modern decorations, and so that's what I'm trying to do here. probably tell by now, I have a thing for trees. I really like different styles, different designs, and I like putting them in bunches together. So this is now the third spot that I have put trees. You can see it's on the mantle, then there's the pink one, and then on the bottom of the fireplace. Every year before I put up this Christmas tree, I always vacuum because I do always find leftover flocking from the previous year. And the flocking on this tree gets so messy, and so that's why I kind of have to clean before I put it up and then clean when I take it down as well. It is still my favorite Christmas tree that I have ever had. It is one of the most beautiful. I got it from Walmart. I think it was $1.99 or $2.99 about 4 years ago. I can't remember the price, but I do know that they still have it. So if a flocked tree is something that you're looking for, I highly recommend this one. If you do end up getting this tree, when you put it up, make sure you wear something that is not going to get ruined from the flocking. So anything that's like knit, the flocking will not come out of it. So usually I wear like workout clothes or like a hoodie like you can see that I'm wearing here. And if you do end up getting this tree, I would love to see how you decorated it. Send me a picture on Instagram. So now this is the next day, and I'm actually going to finish putting the ornaments on. I started yesterday, but ran out of time because I had to go pick up the kids. I got these adorable gold and white nutcrackers from Temu. If you know me, you know I love Temu. I got them last year, but ended up ordering only 2 nutcrackers because I thought that the packaging was a full pack of 10 or something like that. So this year I was lucky enough that I found the same ones and ordered them again. I'm back in the kitchen again. My father-in-law has just returned from grocery shopping, where he was kind enough to get a bunch of things that were on my list, so I didn't have to go. And so I'm just gonna put some stuff away and then start prepping for dinner. Today's dinner is a special request from my son Daniel. He's asked for some butter chicken. I do not make the sauce from scratch. I buy the sauce from Costco. It is one of my favorites, and one of the tricks that one of my friends taught me was you take the jar, add it to the pot, and then you add a can of coconut milk. This not only expands the volume of sauce that you get, but it provides this beautiful, creamy, slightly sweet texture and taste. With the rest of the chicken, I'm gonna freeze it in individual portions, so it's a lot easier for me to pull out of the freezer when I'm cooking next with it, and then I don't have to worry about taking a big chunk of chicken breast out, not knowing exactly how much I'm getting. Another thing that I found really important when using this butter chicken sauce is to flavor the chicken before you cook it. Otherwise, it's really bland in the sauce and doesn't provide any extra value or any extra layer of flavor. I'm really terrible at showing an after shot of food when I cook it on camera. I have to get better at that. So we did eat this with some fresh naan that we just picked up from an Indian restaurant. My husband prefers rice, so we ate with that as well. But here I'm just packing up the leftovers, so we're gonna eat it tomorrow for dinner, the 2 of us, because there was lots left over. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this week as I cleaned and decorated, got ready for Christmas, and just kind of lived life. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.